Welcome to Griffith Ford San Marcos. And here's a look at another one of our great vehicles for sale. And comes equipped with suspension package, push button start, and has less than 20,000 miles on the odometer. Since 1978, family-owned Griffith Ford San Marcos has been providing exceptional customer service, extensive product knowledge, and competitive pricing for the good folks of San Marcos. We prioritize customer satisfaction, which is how we establish long-term relationships with our customers. So raise your expectations. Visit us here at Griffith Ford San Marcos today and drive home in the right vehicle at the right price.